Hello students, welcome to class 6th maths on my YouTube channel. Now let us study practice set 36 on textbook page number 80. Open your textbook page number 80. First question, observe the figures below and write the type of the triangle based on its angles. First one, triangle PQR. What type of triangle it is? You have to write. Angle Q is having 90-degree angle. So triangle PQR is right angle triangle. Next one, triangle XYZ. Which type of triangle it is? Angle Y is having 125 degree here. Here it is given. Triangle XYZ is obtuse angle triangle. 125 degree here angle Y, which is having more than 90 degree. So therefore triangle XYZ is obtuse angled triangle. Next, triangle LMN. Which type of triangle it is? All three angles having less than 90 degree. So less than 90 degrees acute angle triangle. Triangle LMN is acute angle triangle. Now we'll do question number 2. Observe the figures below and write the type of the triangle based on its sides. Okay. First one, triangle ABC. What type of triangle it is? Here in this type of triangle, you don't have to state whether it is acute angle triangle, right angle triangle or obtuse angle triangle. In this type of triangle, you have to see the sides. Here three sides having the same mark. Okay. If you have the same mark, triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Okay. In acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle and right angle triangle, they are giving the measure of the angle. In question first 40 you studied here. And in second question over here, you don't have the measure of the angle over here. You have the measure of the sides. They are given the mark over here. Okay. In question number 2, you have to state the type of triangle, whether it is scalene triangle, isosceles triangle or equilateral triangle. Okay. So first one is triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. All three marks are having equal over here. Okay. Next one, triangle DEF. Look at the mark. We have the same mark or all three sides? No, we have different marks. Side DE have one mark. Side EF we have two mark. And side DF we have the three marks. Okay. So three sides are not equal. All three sides are having different sides. If all three sides are different, then triangle DEF is a scalene triangle. Okay. Next one, triangle UVW. Okay. Side UV and side UW. These two sides are same. And third sides is not given any mark. Side UV and side UW, two sides are equal. Two sides are equal. Triangle is called isosceles triangle. Triangle UVW is an isosceles triangle. Okay. Now I will do question number 3. As shown in the figure, Avinash is standing near his house. He can choose from two roads to go to school. Which way is shorter? Explain why. Here, Avinash is boy. Okay, he is standing near his house. So when he goes, when he walk by from house to school, which road is shorter? You have to give the reason. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to give the reason and you have to select which road is shorter to walk when Avinash goes from his house to his school. If Avinash walks side AB to side BC, okay, this road is very long. Side AB, when he walks to side AB, then he has to turn left side, side BC. Okay, so side AB and side BC, this road is very long. So road AC is shorter. Okay, and you have to give the reason. Road AC is shorter because AB plus BC is greater than AC. Road AB plus road BC is greater than road AC. So road AC is shorter. So this much is the answer. Next we do question number 4. The lengths of the sides of some triangles are given. Say what type of triangles they are. Look at the first one. 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. All these three sides are given in centimeter and all these three sides are different. 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. I have drawn the triangle over here. So which type of triangle you have to tell, whether it is isosceles triangle, scalene triangle or equilateral triangle. The answer is scalene triangle because all three sides are different. Next one, 3.4 centimeter, 3.4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Here I have drawn this triangle over here. Two sides are equal, 3.4 centimeter and 3.4 centimeter. Okay, the third side is different. If two sides are equal and third side is different, it is isosceles triangle. Next, third one, 4.3 centimeter, 4.3 centimeter, 4.3 centimeter. All three sides are equal. If all three sides are equal, which type of triangle it is? Whether it is isosceles, scalene or equilateral. If all three sides are equal, it is equilateral triangle. Next, fourth one, 3.7 centimeter, 3.4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. I have drawn the figure here. Again, all three sides are different over here. So it is scalene triangle. Next, question number 5. The lengths of three segments are given for constructing a triangle. Say whether a triangle with these sides can be drawn. Give the reason for your answer. Okay, we'll do first one. 17 centimeter, 7 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Okay, 17 centimeter is the biggest side. Okay, so you have to write the statement. The length of the biggest side is 17 centimeter and two smaller side is 7 centimeter and 8 centimeter. So you have to take two smaller sides, they are sum of the two smaller sides you have to take. You have to add 7 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Okay, third side you have to consider it as bigger side. Length of the biggest side is 17 centimeter. Now next statement you have to write the sum of the length of the other two sides, that is 7 centimeter plus 8 centimeter. Two smaller sides you have to take sum and you have to add it. 7 plus 8 is getting 15 centimeter. 15 centimeter is smaller than 17 centimeter. Okay, the sum of the length of the other two sides, which you got the answer over here, 15 centimeter, is smaller than 17 centimeter. Therefore, the triangle cannot be drawn. Why the triangle cannot be drawn? Here two smaller sides here. After adding this, answer is getting 15 centimeter. It should come greater than the third side, which is 17 centimeter. Third side is the longest side. Two smaller sides, when you do the sum, when you add this, it should be greater. It came here smaller, 15 centimeter here. So that's why the triangle cannot be drawn. If two smaller sides is getting greater after adding than the longest side, third side, then the triangle can be drawn. We'll do next one. 7 centimeter, 24 centimeter and 25 centimeter. Which is the longest side? 25 centimeter is the biggest side. Okay. So write the statement. The length of the biggest side is 25 centimeter. Okay. Now two smaller side is 7 centimeter and 24 centimeter. You have to take the sum. The sum of the length of the other two sides is 7 centimeter plus 24 centimeter. 7 centimeter plus 24 centimeter, add now. Answer getting 31 centimeter. Okay. Now two smaller side which you added over here, answer got 31 centimeter. Okay. 31 centimeter is greater than 25 centimeter. 31 centimeter is greater than 25 centimeter. Therefore, the triangle can be drawn, because two smaller side which you added over here, it is coming greater than the biggest side, which is the third side. That's why the triangle can be drawn. Next, third sum will do. 9 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 16 centimeter. You have to write the same statement. The length of the biggest side is 16 centimeter. Okay. The sum of the length of the other two sides is 9 centimeter plus 6 centimeter. 9 plus 6 add. Answer is getting 15 centimeter. 15 centimeter is smaller than 16 centimeter. After adding these two smaller sides, answer getting 15 centimeter. Then the length of the biggest side, third side. Okay. 15 centimeter is smaller than 16 centimeter. Therefore, the triangle cannot be drawn. Next, fourth one. 8.4 centimeter, 16.4 centimeter and 4.9 centimeter. Okay. 16.4 centimeter is the length of the biggest side. Length of the biggest side is 16.4 centimeter. The sum of the length of the other two sides is 8.4 centimeter plus 4.9 centimeter. Add it. How much getting? And decimal point you have to, that only place you have put after getting the answer. Answer is getting 13.3 centimeter when you carry out the addition. Okay. 13.3 centimeter. After adding these two smaller number, 13.3 centimeter is getting smaller than 16.4 centimeter. Okay. Therefore, the triangle cannot be drawn. Next, fifth one. 15 centimeter, 20 centimeter and 25 centimeter. Longest side is which? 25 centimeter. Okay. The length of the biggest side is 25 centimeter. The sum of the length of the other two sides is 15 centimeter plus 20 centimeter. These two number added. 15 centimeter plus 20 centimeter, answer getting 35 centimeter. So, after adding these two smaller number, 35 centimeter is greater than 25 centimeter, which is the third side or biggest side. Therefore, the triangle can be drawn. Next, last one will do. 12 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 16 centimeter. The length of the biggest side is 16 centimeter. The sum of the length of the other two sides, both 12 centimeter and 12 centimeter, is equal over here. So both you have to add over here. 12 plus 12, answer is getting 24 centimeter. 24 centimeter is greater than 16 centimeter. The sum of the length of the other two sides is greater than the third side. Therefore, the triangle can be drawn. Thank you.